Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the second run. I went off into the ditch. Nothing happened. It just kind of rolled off into the ditch. I couldn't bring it back at 106 miles an hour. I do have that here. Oh, I don't know if I cleared it out or not yet. So yeah, I do have that 106. Was when I went off to the ditch. So we're going to start it, stop it, read it, and zero it out. Start it, check, start. Okay, so it started at 0. Let you guys see that it is in the car. It's right here, moving. It's right there. It's, we are running 6 cell. I'm going to try this again. Hopefully we can do it without crashing. A little better takeoff this time too. I didn't even give it full throttle until it was way past me. So we are out in the new road, which is nice. I mean, look how far you can see down the road, guys. And you can totally hear if a car's coming too. For the most part. Problem is I got the dual rate so far down I can't turn around. Dual rate, is that what I'm at? Oh yeah, I'm at 42%. Let's get it way up there so I can I don't know why it just cut out. I'm not far enough. There we go. Damn, it did it again. I think I lose reception. That's what I'm doing. Lost reception again. I just kind of wandered out where it was. I need to take the antenna out, stick it up through the body. That's what I'm gonna have to do.
You pull me through, I give it up to you, I do it all for you, maybe this feeling's overdue.
I hear ya. Now that was coincidence, huh? I'm just grabbing my phone. See what she says. All right, let's see, stop, read. 111, guys. Yeah. Too bad I didn't get it to come back. There's nothing wrong with it. Like I said, I just kind of drove off the, just kind of turned at the end. 6-cell battery right here. You guys can see that. I know this don't count because I crashed, or well, I didn't really crash. I kind of just drove off the end. 6 wires, 6-cell, 5200 milliamp. So there you go, guys. We need to figure out the antenna. So it's just a little tiny antenna right here. I'm gonna put a tube on it. See if that'll help get it above the body, poke a hole through the body, and then go from there. So on my next run we'll try that one. But this road's pretty awesome out here, guys. Check it out. You can say way down there and way down there. So it's pretty flat. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, press that notification bell so you get all these videos that I'm doing, and share. I'm trying to get to 1,000. I got 909 right now as of this recording. I'm trying to get to 1,000 and do a giveaway for you guys. Gonna give a Arrma speed spool away with a gear, and a couple other prizes too. So we're gonna do multiple prizes. So just share with your buddies, let everybody know. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.